Welcome to Fat Tutorial. Let's make this mechanical piece design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, okay. Go to the front plane, sketch, draw a 2 circle like that. Okay. Go to the center line like this. Smart dimension. The distance between these 2 points is 50 and the dia is 10. Select the bow circle and make it equal. Draw a center line again. Okay. Midpoint line here like that, and make this line into construction. Okay, the smart dimension is 35. So select both circles, go to the mirror entities, mirror about, we have to about here. Okay, so go to the offset entities and 10 mm. Okay, so like this and okay. So select the line. So our line start from here. Okay, okay, then select the line again from this end to this end. Okay, and again from this end to this end. Okay, so go to the trim entities and delete this portion. Okay, so we have to fix one more thing. Select the line, okay, like this, and same here. Go to the trim entities and delete this portion. Go to the line again, okay, and trim entities. Okay, go to the fully defined sketch, calculate, and okay, and this distance is actually 25. Now sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature, extrude base, it's up to 30. Okay, then select this portion, sketch, select the center line. Okay, select the center circle like this, smart dimension, and this dimension is 40. Extrude base and extrude up to 15. My result okay. Then select this portion, sketch, draw center circle again. So select the boundary again and smart dimension, this distance is 20. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut up to 15 and okay. So select this portion again, sketch, draw a circle here, something like this. Select the line, Okay, smart dimension, this is 10. The distance from it is 25. So go to the trim entities and cut this portion. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, blind to through all. Okay, now our design is ready. Go to the appearances, select the appearances, metal, steel, and apply the material. Full body. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. You will get a lot from this channel. Thank you for watching.